do any length of edge banding, whether on straight workpieces or complex curves, you need an edgebander that is as maneuverable as you are, which is why we're proud to offer the G0825 portable edgebander. The G0825's easy setup and straightforward operation means you'll be more efficient in the shop or on the job site. Simply insert your edge banding into the variable speed feed rollers and glue is automatically applied. Press the green power button and the feed rollers activate, and the grip-mounted variable speed feed rate dial can be adjusted on the fly for feed speeds from 6.5 to 20 feet per minute. The G0825 is perfect for applying edge banding from 3/8 of an inch to 2.5 inches wide and up to 1/8 of an inch thick. Simply measure out and cut your edge banding to length, start the feed rollers, and walk the G0825 along the workpiece. We offer a full line of great edgebander accessories, including the T1189 dual end cutter and the T1188 edgeband trimmer router for perfect seams and smooth rounded over edges. For complex curves, check out the T28-379 vacuum clamp set to allow you 360 degrees of movement around an elevated workpiece. Another great accessory is the T1187 work table, which turns your G0825 portable edgebander into a stationary edgebander for running large production style operations. Take your edge banding to the next level with the G0825 portable edgebander and see our full lineup of edge banding accessories and veneer tapes available on Grizzly.com.